Microwave cheesy taco mug. 4 servings. Prep time 10 minutes. A budget-friendly, microwave-only taco mug with ground beef, cheese, and tortillas. 1 cup of cooked and seasoned ground beef. 1/2 cup of finely chopped onion. 1 clove of garlic, minced. 1/4 cup of drained canned diced tomatoes with green chilies. 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder. 1/4 teaspoon of ground cumin. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper. 1/4 cup of water. 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. 4 large flour tortillas cut into strips. 2 tablespoons of rinsed canned black beans. 1 tablespoon of sour cream. 1 tablespoon of chopped cilantro for garnish. 1 lime wedge for serving. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. In a microwave-safe large mug, add 1 cup of cooked and seasoned ground beef and 1/2 cup of finely chopped onion. Add 1 clove of minced garlic, 1/4 cup of drained diced tomatoes with green chilies, 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper. Stir to combine. Pour 1/4 cup of water into the mug to loosen the ingredients and mix thoroughly. Press 4 large flour tortillas cut into strips into the mug so they absorb the juices and fill gaps. Top the mixture with 2 tablespoons of rinsed black beans evenly. Cover the mug loosely with a microwave-safe plate and microwave on high for 1 minute and 30 seconds. Carefully remove the mug and stir. If the center is still cool, microwave an additional 30 seconds. Sprinkle 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese evenly over the top and microwave uncovered for 30 seconds until the cheese melts. Let the mug rest for 1 minute to set and cool slightly, then top with 1 tablespoon of sour cream and 1 tablespoon of chopped cilantro. Squeeze the lime wedge over the mug just before serving and serve hot. This completes the recipe. Now enjoy and share. If you liked this microwave cheesy taco mug, hit like, subscribe and tap the bell for more quick budget meals.